Soil is just not a particle of sand. Soil is not just a particle of clay. Soil is not just a particle of silt. Soil is a living community. Soil supports a lot of life. Soil is something that is breathing. It is just breathing like us. When we say we are breathing through the lungs, soil is also a living entity which is breathing. Whenever we talk about growing something, we talk about what do we feed the plants? What do we feed the plants? This is something even all most of the people who are growing food, what do we feed the plants is a common question that comes to our minds. But I think, why are we not thinking about what do we feed our soil? Feeding the soil but not the plant. When we feed the soil, that is when the plant is going to uptake the nutrition, and when you eat the plant, that is when we get the nutrition from the plant. So soil health, what we are feeding the soil is going to the plant, what's going to the plant is what's coming to us. If you're adding something that can degrade, it could be books, it could be cardboard, anything that is decomposable, it acts like a sponge. But anything that is unnatural, anything that is non-biodegradable is being dumped into the soil, it just rejects it. So this is all causing to the death of the life that is in the soil. When we burn the organic matter, when we burn the leaves that are dropped in our houses, in our backyards, in our front yards, in our parks, in our farms, this is what we are doing. We are not giving the food to the life in the organisms, and hence the lack of life in the soil. So we need to let them be, let the leaf be, let the microorganisms do those job and decompose.